Hello guys, so for today we will be making a sound test of our new pipe, the Sans Racing pipe version 2, and then ito yung adjustable, so para din siyang JBT. I used JBT before pero pinalitan ko kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung hatak, no? So, bumalik ako sa stock, and then after a while nagkabit naman tayo ulit ng panibagong pipe, no, to test, no? Nakakamiss kasi yung ingay. By the way, yung specs pala ng motor ay CVT lang, yung panggilid lang, no? So, engine is stock. So, yung opening ng pipe ay nasa 75 to 80, I think. Yung ginawa ko. So far, after kong naikabit ang pipe, I do a test drive, and then okay naman yung hatak. Pero masusubukan natin kung talagang magpe-perform ang pipe during long rides, no? Or mahaba-habang rides. So after ko siguro makapag-rides nito ng medyo mahaba, I will give my other review kung kumusta naman yung performance, lalo na kung stock engine lang at walang remap yung ECU, no? So, yun lang, at maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.